For optimal results, you should aim to hold each static stretch for 60 seconds. That's how long it takes for your brain to receive the signal and send that signal back to your muscle to relax and relieve it. If someone is not, or if you're not able to hold their stretch for the whole 60 seconds, it's very intense, you should break it down into smaller fractions. So let's say 20 seconds and you take a break and then you do another 20 seconds until you get to 60 seconds. A few stretches I would recommend to do. First is the pigeon pose, which is for your glutes. Glutes a lot of times cause lower back pain, as well as a chest stretch, because we tend to sit on our couches a lot and drive and work at the computer. Chest muscles get super tight. One of the best stretches is to go into the doorway and then lean forward until you feel your chest open up.